Health Information Bill, Cunella Fui Sale of Alcohol Bill, agus Cun Geranach Health General Practitioner Service Bill. The Health Information Bill, Cun Codia, has been promised since 2001, and this is supposed to govern and provide a legislative framework for health information in the health service. So from 2001 until now, there have been many discussion papers, many submissions, but even now, 14 years later, the bill is still in Section B of the government's legislative programme. So this is obviously unacceptable. It reflects badly on successive ministers of health. And would the Taoiseach confirm that the government actually intends introducing the health information bill, and can we be given a date for when it will be published? And you mentioned the health minister setting out his health priorities, and one of these is to reduce alcohol consumption, and the health minister promised legislation on this. Now, University College Cork, in a report last week, said that hazardous alcohol consumption concluded that we need minimum unit pricing and a ban on alcohol sponsorship at sports events. And the lead researcher warned that without support at the highest level for evidence-based policy, attempts to tackle Ireland's hazardous relationship with alcohol may prove futile. I've asked you this a few times, Taoiseach, still haven't got clarity. So when will the sale of alcohol bill be published? And I'll finish on this. The government had a deadline for July 2014 for free GP care for the under-6s. We were then told that it would be at the end of last year, and that deadline was also missed. In December, the Taoiseach said that she was confident it would be rolled out in the new year. But the Minister of Health said that he hopes that free GP care for under-6s will be in place by the end of this year. So with these conflicting signals from the Taoiseach, the Minister for Health, and all of these missed dates, and you talk about poverty and you talk about the government's focus. So when can we expect free GP care for the under-6s to come into effect? When can we expect free GP care for children, all children of primary school age, and when will it be extended to under-18s, and when will the bill be published?
Thanks, Deputy Adams. Insofar as the GP issue is concerned, the under-6s was actually enacted, but discussions are still going on with the IMO, as they are indeed in respect of the over-70s. So those discussions are continuing. The bill for the under-6s has been enacted. The health information bill is later this year. I don't have a date for that. The government this morning approved, in respect of the public health alcohol bill, the drafting of the bill, the publication of the bill, and the referral of the general scheme to the Joint Oireachtas Committee on Health. It will deal with the introduction of minimum unit pricing, the regulation and the advertising and the marketing of alcohol, the enforcement by environmental health officers of structural separation of alcohol from other products, labelling of alcohol products, the regulation of sports sponsorship, and so on. So approval was given this morning by government to get on with this, and the legislation will be introduced later this year once it's drafted, once it's gone through the pre-legislative hearing and the Oireachtas Committee on dealing with this, Deputy Adams.
Deputy Healy.